welcome back to the channel. Long time no see. We are back for the holiday season. We are super excited to share with you the craft that we're going to be doing today. Today we're going to be making a burlap Christmas tree decor piece. You're going to need a variety of items for this one. We actually went to Hobby Lobby to pick up most of this. Some of it we did find while thrifting. So definitely check those thrift stores for some of these items because you can find them for a really great price. So I'm going to go ahead and jump right in. We're going to show you all of the supplies that you'll need, and then we will show you how we turn some burlap into something really cute to hang up on your mantle. First thing is, I found this tree pattern and I cannot for the life of me remember where I found it. So if I can remember, I will go ahead and give credit in the description box below because I did not come up with this. And I definitely want to give credit to whoever created this. But they are these 3 trees. They are layered, so you'll see as we cut them out and put them together what they will look like. The main shape for the layers of the tree are kind of like a fishtail shape. I'll show you guys in more detail in a close-up shot of it so you kind of get an idea, so you can kind of create them for yourself. But the main idea is you're going to have different sizes of these, and then we're going to attach them all together to create a larger tree shape. So we're gonna go ahead and get our pattern cut them out of the burlap, and we'll show you as we go along.
We found this the burlap at a thrift store, and it's used in a very good price. You might want like a half a yard and a yard. It just depends how big you're gonna make.
Alright guys, so we have just completed our tree assembly. So now you should have 3 trees that look like chubby little pillows. We already inserted the stick and have already stuffed them. So they already have all their filling in them. So you should have 3 trees for your box. So our next step, we are going to go ahead and start assembling our box base. So you're going to need some sort of box. So we got these guys at Hobby Lobby on their half off clearance holiday sale. However, any box would work, even like a planter or like a metal basin, something that's kind of elongated so that way it gives a nice appearance when you have 3 trees in there. But anything, even something thrifted could work, something you already have in your home would also work. But we're going to be using these little boxes that we found that have the galvanized metal on the back and the little trees already on it. So we're just going to use it as is. So the next step we're going to need to do is we need to put our foam in the base of our box. I went ahead and grabbed 2 packs of these floral green foam that we got at Hobby Lobby. You get, I think, like 6 in here. So you'll just have to cut them down to fit into your box so that way you have a solid layer on the bottom of the box. So we're gonna go ahead and do that, and then we will be right back. Alright guys, so at this point you should have your box filled with foam. So these boxes took 4 pieces of foam, and then we use the leftover, the negative ones, to fill in the gap over here. But the main thing is you just want to make sure that you have a all over even surface, so that way nothing moves around if you have to transport it or move it or anything like that. So with that done, we're actually going to go ahead and move back to our finished trees.
We're going to go ahead and we're going to decorate our trees. And we have all kinds of stuff to decorate. You can use these or
tinsels and ribbons and
whatever you got.
Glitter and ornaments. We're gonna go ahead and get our trees decorated, and then once your trees are fully decorated and you are happy with them, then we are going to go ahead and insert the bottom trees into our foam in our box. We're gonna go ahead and get our trees decorated and planted into our boxes, and then we'll be back and we'll take you along for the ride. So at this point, you should have your trees completed. So we have all 3 of our trees decorated and ready to go into the box. So at this point, you're going to go ahead and figure out the formation that you want your trees. So you should have your box all ready to go, your decorated trees, and now we're gonna go ahead and basically stab your trees into the foam. Once you have your trees into your box, you should have something that looks like this. So with you can still obviously see the foam in here, which we don't want. So we're actually going to do one of our favorite snow techniques that we do every year around our Christmas tree. And that is to use like a table drape.
Yeah.
One of the soft, like almost felt things. Usually you can use these for like if you have a snow village, that kind of the snow look. That's kind of what we're wanting to imitate on the box. And you're going to need a strand of lights. We got these at the dollar store. You can either use the ones with the plugs, or you can use the battery operated ones. You'll just have the battery operated piece. You can either glue it to the back of the box, or you can set it in the back behind the snow. However you prefer to do that. And then you're also going to need some sort of fluff. So we just have this giant bag that we've been kind of using for all of our crafts. But this is just the generic polyfill. Any type of stuffing would work. And you can also use some decorative pieces to decorate your snow. So we thought maybe some like little presents. These are from Hobby Lobby in their little Christmas tree section, to add a couple little presents under the trees. And then with the lights underneath, it should look really pretty at night as well. So we're gonna go ahead and get the snow in, and of course we'll take you along and show you how we do it. So at this point, we are completely done with our project for this week. I will go ahead and put some clips in at the end here, with them all lit up and everything, so you can see them up close. But this was a really fun project. Definitely took like about a full day to go ahead and work from start to finish. But if you have enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. And thank you again so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!
Bye. Hey, say hi to everybody. Hi, we're back. We're tired. You too. No, Nikki. Hello. We found this burlap. Oh.
Well, it's not burlap. I think it's a burlap.
A burlap.
Burlap.
I know burlap.
We're like over.
That's why it looks different. Better, better. Better, 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 better,
Hi, Mom.
Yeah.
Where's your trees?
No, my tree.
Look, Mom, we have all the trees now.
Ooh.
Why are you smelling it?
I'm looking with my eyes.
Oh, I thought you were smelling it.
Just don't poke my eye.
Oh no, don't do that either. Okay.
Okay, fine.